Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on the Airbnb application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Airbnb application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, tap on the login button at the bottom right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into your homepage, if you wish to change the currency that is displayed, for the properties that you are looking at, then tap on the profile option at the bottom right corner. From this page, tap on Payments and Payouts underneath Settings. Now, from the Payments and Payouts option, you will see the currency indicator at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on whichever currency is currently selected, and now you will see the various different currencies that you can choose from. Search for your preferred currency and just tap on it, and now the currency will be changed to the one that you just selected. And now you will be able to view the prices within the currency that you just selected. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the currency on Airbnb application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.